Hey, how you doing? Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? Have an amazing day, and if you can't, don't ruin nobody else's day. Period. I've been searching high and low for these products, so I finally got my hands on the Tabitha Brown collection, Donna's recipes. They were finally in stock at my local Ulta, so let's get it popping.
What's popping? And then with this happening.
Starting off with the Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Leave-In Conditioner. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. I'm thinking about doing a flat twist out. So for you guys who don't know, when I do my flat twist outs, I start off with doing regular twists in the back. I only do that to save time for the install. This is supposed to have sweet potato, cinnamon, and vanilla in it. Let me know if you guys like sweet potato pie. What is your go-to thing to eat during Thanksgiving? I like me some ham, mac and cheese, some greens. I'm not a big pie lover. This smells strong. I'm not a big pie lover, but I will eat some candy yams. This is so creamy, as in the name, creamy. Oh, that just glided on. That just glided right on. Look at the glide. Oh, that was great. The smell is very strong. It makes me think of pumpkin spice. It makes me think of fall. It makes me think of Halloween, because I'm ready for spooky season. That feels great. I was going to spray more water on my hair, but I don't need to. Wow. I'm curious to know if this smell is going to fade or change. I'll let you guys know when I take my hair down if it like smells bad or if it disappears or anything, but the smell is very strong. I like vanilla, I like cinnamon, and the sweet potato smell does not really bother me that much. I'm gonna add just a little bit more because you guys know I'm heavy-handed. That glides on so beautifully. I didn't see the oil, but I did see the Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Hair Cream. I'm loving this pink color. This is so pretty. Let's pop that open. Ooh, it looks so good. Is it gonna fall out? Hold on. Oh, that thing was sliding. It's so creamy. Okay, I'm gonna start off with just a little bit. It smells the same. It doesn't say if it has any holds, but I can feel that it might have some hold to it. That smell is so strong. It says lightweight sweet aroma. This is not lightweight. Wow, I don't even need my tangle teaser. This would be great under gel. You know a product is good if I could just finger to tangle with ease. Look at how the curls is popping. Look at these curls. The curls are curling. I'm gonna split this in half and just do some regular twists down here. So far, it feels very smooth on my hair. It feels great. I must admit, it feels great. Oil my ends. And that's the first twist. Okay. And second twist done. I've also been looking high and low in Target for her like snacks and stuff. Couldn't find any of it. I'm loving how this leave-in conditioner feels on my hair. I haven't grabbed my spray bottle yet. I haven't grabbed my tangle teaser yet. The first time I saw Tabitha Brown was on TikTok, and I'm pretty sure my first video of hers was when she was making bacon. But she was making bacon out of carrots and liquid smoke, and she was just raving about how good it was. I didn't try it personally because I couldn't find liquid smoke in the store. But her positive vibe and all those recipe videos, I was just stuck watching those back to back to back in 2020. And she has such a calm auntie vibe to her. On the worst days in 2020, all I had to hear was hello there, love you, bye, and my whole day would just be made. But I'm gonna speed through this part. I'm gonna come back when I get to the front of my head, and I'm gonna show you guys how I flat twist. Bring you in closer. Now let me show you how I do a flat twist. You don't have to pre-part your sections, but it just makes it a lot easier to make sure that you part it. They don't have to be perfectly straight. What is important is that your hair has to be thoroughly detangled. There should be no tangles in your hair whatsoever, because if you reach a knot, you're going to be so frustrated, and if you're in the middle of the flat twist, it's just not fun. Okay, make sure your hair is completely detangled. Detangled from the roots. Don't try to skip this step and just detangle like this side of your hair. Detangle from the roots all the way down. Doing a flat twist on the right side of my head is always easier than the left side of my head, mainly because I'm right-handed. But if you think about a regular twist, this is my right hand, this is my left hand. You would twist right over left, and you just grab the right section and put in your left hand. To start off your flat twist, you part off a small section, grab your edges. You don't have to, but I do. Once you have your first section, split it into two, and like I said, this is my right hand, this is my left hand. I'm going to move my right hand, grab it in my left, take the left section and put it in my right hand. That's the first move. In my left hand, I'm gonna hold both sections and I'm gonna make another part. It doesn't matter how big or how small it is, it's up to you, but then I'm gonna grab that part with my left hand. And this is why your hair has to be tangled. And when I grab that part with my left hand, I'm gonna do another twist. And also make sure that it's tight to the root. Again, I'm gonna make another part. Grab with my left hand. And do another twist. Making sure it's tight to the root. Second off another small piece. Twist, make sure it's tight to the root. And I keep doing this motion until there's no more hair to part off. This is low-key an arm workout, but make sure you take your time. When I reach my last piece of hair, that's when I grab with my left hand and I twist all the way down like normal. And just keep on twisting. Let me straighten up my head because, ooh. And this is why you want to keep it tight to the root. You see how it's tight right here until I get to right here? At the end, it's very loose. I didn't keep it as tight and I'm actually gonna redo it. I just want it a little bit tighter than that. And this is also the perfect way to practice your grip. Okay, that's a little better. Moving on to the left side. I wouldn't say flat twisting left side on my head is hard. It's just a little bit more annoying. So again, this is my right hand, this is my left hand. I would normally twist like this, but instead I'm gonna take a small section in the front. It doesn't have to be super big. I'm also gonna grip my edges. I'm gonna take that small section and I'm gonna split it in half into two. Again, right hand, left hand. We're gonna start our twist. And I find it annoying because you have to part to get your piece behind your hands versus on this side, I don't have to do it that way. I don't know, it just feels more awkward. So I'm parting out a small piece right here, putting it into my left hand, making sure all the hair is out the way before I do a tight twist to the root. And again, I'm gonna part off a small piece, put it in my left hand and do a tight twist to the root. And if you notice that your flat twist is like slouching down, then you have to lift up and try to twist straight back, almost like you're doing a cornrow. So taking another piece, twisting close to the root. I'm taking my last piece right here, put it in my left hand. And again, do a normal twist. Twist all the way down to the ends. And that is my flat twist. And now you see why I did regular twist on the bottom, because if I were to just do it all the way back, number one, my arms would hurt. And number two, it would be a little bit chunkier definition. I feel like having regular twist in the back just gives you a little bit more definition, plus it's faster to do it that way. Let's say I want to take these three and I want to wear like up like this, or if I want to wear it in like little buns while it's drying, then I'll have the rest just hanging loose in the back. I just love so far how my hands are not sticky. It feels like I just put on lotion, and I wonder, based on these ingredients, is this okay for your skin? Because this feels great. I feel like I just put on some nice lotion and my hands are all shiny and moisturized. But I'm gonna let this completely air dry and I'll be back for the final look, my final thoughts, all the final things. It's been a few days, but I'm ready to take these twists out. I am so excited to see how this turns out. I didn't pick up Tabitha Brown's oil. I didn't see it in stores, so I just got some random oil. Only put a little bit on my hands. I'm gonna rake it through all my twists. Sometimes I take my hair down with oil and sometimes I don't. It really depends on how my hair feels. So remember, on the bottom I did regular twists. I like to unwind my hair like this and then split it apart. Look at the depth. Wow, look at that. Wow, the definition is like flawless. Look at that, the boing. Ah, the boing. And it almost separates itself. Wow, it's just so defined. This is about to be a good twist out. Why I like doing flat twists is because while you're taking your flat twists down, you don't have to do too many separating, because all those little pieces that you took to make the flat twist, while you're taking it down, each one of those little pieces should be defined. And the definition is crazy. Wings in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And we back outside. We said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act. The definition and volume of day one hair. I'm in love with the Donna. I am so excited and happy about how my hair turned out. Tabitha Brown, Tab, Auntie Tab. Auntie Tab, you did this. My hair looks so good. In some sections I've noticed I was a little bit heavy-handed because there was a tiny, like the smallest bit of flakes. I mean, you could barely see it, the smallest bit of flakes. So do not be as heavy-handed as I was. My hair is super soft, and the smell, girl, the smell is not as strong as it is in this jar, okay? I can barely smell it. It's there, but it's extremely faint, so it's tolerable. The definition, the volume, the shine can speak for itself, honestly. The way that I like to flat twist, I like to flat twist just the top part of my head and just regular twist the bottom half. If you want to do the whole flat twist on every single section of your head going all the way down, go ahead. I'm not doing that anytime soon, but it still looks so good with just a couple flat twists and the rest regular twists. When I saw these products come out, I was really wondering, who the heck is Donna? And I did some little research, and Donna is Tabitha's hair. That's the name that she gave her hair. And I did some more research, and I was wondering what other black girls named their hair, and I saw this one girl named her hair Gina. I'm not sure what I would name my natural hair, because if you really think about it, our hair has a mind of its own. Some days it want to be a good hair day, sometimes it don't. Some days it's beautiful, moisturized, defined, gorgeous. Other days it looks like a rat's nest. So it's really interesting that people will name their hair. I wonder if Tabitha be walking around like, yeah, Donna having a good day today, or Donna not having a good day right now, or Donna, please cooperate. I'm not sure I want to name my hair, but she do got her own little personality. I think me and her are cool. We're friends right now. I do need to trim soon, but besides that, I think we pretty good. The definition go crazy. It goes stupid. It looks so good. Like, I hope y'all can see how defined these curls are. I really want to try this hair cream with a wash and go just to see how it will look, because the way this is defined right now and how good it feels, I can just imagine it under a wash and go. Oh, I give these products a good 9.8 out of 10. The smell might be annoying to some, but the smell was just only a tad bit annoying. Both products are $15 at my local Ulta, and I love how they're not sticky. My hands are still nice and soft, and these are really good ingredients. I know that sweet potato is really good for your hair. I cannot wait to see what Auntie Tab has in store for us next, but this is the very end of this video, and like Tabitha Brown says, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and if you can't, do not go ruin somebody else's, okay? All right, hope you guys give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. My hair look good, eh? My hair look good, eh? My hair looks good. My hair looks good.